That orange you just ate, it's been living a lie its whole life. In tropical places where oranges actually come from, they stay bright green even when they're perfectly ripe and sweet. The heat never breaks down the chlorophyll, so they look like giant limes forever. But here's where it gets crazy. American orange growers pump their fruit full of ethylene gas in special chambers just to turn them orange, because customers like you refuse to buy green ones thinking they're not ready. We're literally dyeing our fruit to match our expectations. And get this, the color orange didn't even exist until the fruit showed up. Before that, people just called it red yellow. The fruit named the color, not the other way around. Want your mind completely blown? That white stuff you peel off has more vitamin C than the actual orange part. And those oils in the peel, they're so explosive they can pop a balloon on contact. Oh, and every navel orange on Earth is a clone from one single tree in Brazil. Your fruit bowl just got a lot weirder.